could spread to humans after the first ever case was detected in Yellowstone National Park last month. Scientists have warned that the fatal brain virus, which leaves animals confused, drooling, and unafraid of humans, may someday infect people. The alarm was raised after a deer carcass tested positive for chronic wasting disease, a prion-transmitted disease, which can eventually cause fatal neurological symptoms in deer and related species in Yellowstone National Park in November. In recent years, the virus spread to more than 31 U.S. states, 2 Canadian provinces, and even South Korea.
Deer disease has returned, and experts say it's spreading. While it sounds like something out of The Walking Dead, chronic wasting disease is actually very real.
And as Fox 5's Stephanie Bertini shows us, there's concern it could jump to humans.
Chronic wasting disease, or CWD, dubbed zombie disease in deer, is spreading according to experts.
It has been spreading, and it's now found in most states.
Begging the question, are humans at risk?
I think that until we see very clear evidence of transmission from animal to a human, we have to state that there does not appear to be a risk, but that can change.
Yellowstone National Park recently confirmed a case of CWD after a deer carcass tested positive for the highly contagious and fatal brain disease.
It's a disease that's seen in the deer family. They get this abnormal protein. It causes them to, over time, over a year or two, develop these holes in their brain so they can't feed themselves, and eventually they'll die.
Although there are no confirmed cases in New York State, the Department of Environmental Conservation is alerting people, including asking everyone, not to feed wild deer or moose, warning feeding artificially concentrates animals in one location for extended periods of time, increasing the likelihood of diseases to spread.
We're concerned about it.
Yes, y'all, zombie deer. Listen up. So scientists are concerned about zombie deer disease, also known as chronic wasting away disease. This disease is essentially what it sounds like, where once you get this prion, which is a much more serious version of a virus, it basically wastes away, causes malnutrition, and eventually you die from it. And there's deer dying all over Yellowstone, also in parts of Texas too. So the big concern here is the fact that they are afraid that it might jump to humans. There isn't a massive concern for this yet, but you know, hunters are out there hunting deer and they do take home meat to eat. So this is something that scientists are keeping their eye on, because the last thing they want is for a hunter or someone to eat infected zombie deer meat, because that would be very bad. But what do you all think? Is this the next COVID? Do we have to worry about turning into zombies in 2024? Share your thoughts in the comments.